In today's video, I will be discussing the mental health and physical health benefits that pets provide for us. Most pet owners are clear about the immediate joys that come with sharing their lives with companion animals. However, many of us remain unaware of the physical and mental health benefits that accompany having a pet. It's only recently that researchers have begun to scientifically explore the benefits of the human-animal bond. Pets have evolved to become acutely attuned to humans as well as our behavior and emotions. Dogs, for example, are able to understand many of the words we use, but they're even better at interpreting our tone of voice, body language, and gestures. In addition, pets, especially dogs and cats, can reduce stress, anxiety, and depression. They can ease loneliness, encourage exercise and playfulness, and even improve cardiovascular health. Caring for an animal can help children grow up more secure and active, and pets also provide valuable companionship for older adults. Perhaps most importantly, a pet can add real joy and unconditional love to your life. Some studies that were conducted around the subject of the health benefits that pets can provide to humans have found that pet owners are less likely to suffer from depression than those without pets, that people with pets have lower blood pressure in stressful situations than those without pets. They also found that playing with a dog or cat can elevate levels of serotonin and dopamine, and those neurotransmitters have a calming and relaxing effect. Pet owners also have lower cholesterol levels than people who don't own pets. Studies have also found that heart attack patients with pets survive longer than those who don't have pets, and that pet owners over the age of 65 make 30% fewer visits to their doctors than those without pets. While people with pets often experience the greatest health benefits, a pet doesn't necessarily have to be a dog or a cat. Even watching fish in an aquarium can help reduce muscle tension and lower pulse rate. One of the reasons for this therapeutic effect is that pets fulfill the basic human need for touch. Even hardened criminals in prison show long-term changes in their behavior after interacting with pets, many of them experiencing mutual affection for the first time. Stroking, hugging, or otherwise touching a loving animal can rapidly calm and soothe you when you're stressed or anxious. So let's have a look at how pets can help us make healthy lifestyle changes. Adopting healthy lifestyle changes plays an important role in easing symptoms of depression, anxiety, stress, bipolar disorder, and PTSD. Caring for a pet can help you make healthy lifestyle changes by increasing exercise. For example, taking a dog for a walk, hike, or run are fun and rewarding ways to fit healthy daily exercise into your schedule. Studies have shown that dog owners are far more likely to meet their daily exercise requirements, and exercising every day is great for the animal as well. Providing companionship. Companionship can help prevent illness and even add years to your life, while isolation and loneliness can trigger symptoms of depression. Caring for an animal can help make you feel needed and wanted, and take the focus away from your problems, especially if you live alone. Pets can also help you meet new people. For example, dog owners frequently stop and talk to each other on walks, hikes, or in a dog park. Dog owners also meet new people in pet stores, clubs, and training classes. They also play a role in reducing anxiety. The companionship of an animal can offer comfort, help ease anxiety, and build self-confidence for people who are anxious about going out into the world. Pets can also add structure and routine to your day. Many pets, especially dogs, require a regular feeding and exercise schedule. Having a consistent routine keeps an animal balanced and calm, and it can work for you too. And lastly, pets can also provide sensory stress relief. Touch and movement are two healthy ways to quickly manage stress. Stroking a dog, cat, or other animal can lower blood pressure and help you quickly feel calmer and less stressed. Research has also found that pets play an important role in helping Alzheimer's disease or dementia patients. As part of the disease, Alzheimer's patients may exhibit a variety of behavioral problems, many related to an inability to deal with stress. Research at the University of California concluded that Alzheimer's patients suffer less stress and have fewer anxious outbursts if there is a dog or a cat in the home. Pets can provide a source of positive, nonverbal communication. Playful interaction and gentle touch from a well-trained, docile animal can help soothe an Alzheimer's patient and decrease aggressive behavior. In many cases, a patient's problem behavior is a reaction to the stress response of the primary caretaker. Pets can also help ease the stress of caregivers. Let's also have a look at the health benefits that pets have for children and children with learning disorders. Not only do children who grow up with pets have less risks of allergies and asthma, many also learn responsibility, compassion, and empathy from having a pet. Unlike parents or teachers, pets are never critical and don't give orders. They are always loving, and their mere presence at home can help provide a sense of security in children. Having an ever-present pet can help ease separation anxiety in children when their parents aren't around. Having the love and compassion of a pet can make a child feel important and help them develop a positive self-image. In addition, kids who are emotionally attached to their pets are better able to build relationships with other people. Children and adults alike can benefit from playing with pets, which can provide a source of calmness and relaxation, as well as a source of stimulation for the brain and body. Playing with a pet can even be a doorway to learning for a child. The rewards of training a dog to perform a new trick, for example, can teach kids the importance of perseverance. Some children with autism or other learning difficulties are better able to interact with pets than people. Autistic children often rely on nonverbal cues to communicate, just as animals do, and learning to first connect with a pet may even help an autistic child in their interactions with people. Pets can help children with learning disabilities learn how to regulate stress and calm themselves, making them better equipped to overcome the challenges of their disorder. Playing and exercising with a dog or cat can help a child with learning disorders stay alert and attentive throughout the day. It can also be a great antidote to stress and frustration caused by the learning disability. With all benefits in mind, we should acknowledge that a pet is not a miracle cure for mental illness, and that it is in fact a major commitment. Owning a pet is beneficial and comforting only for those who love and appreciate animals and have the time and money to keep a pet happy and healthy. If you're simply not an animal person, pet ownership is not going to provide you with any health benefits or improve your life. Even if you love animals, it's important to understand everything that caring for a pet entails. Owning a pet is a commitment that would last for the animal's lifetime, perhaps 10 to 20 years in some cases. And at the end of that commitment, you'll face the grief and mourning that comes with losing a beloved companion. However, there are alternatives to pet ownership, so if you don't have the time, money, or stamina to own a pet full-time, there are still ways you can experience the health benefits of being around animals. For example, you can ask to walk a neighbor's dog or volunteer at an animal shelter. Most animal shelters or rescue groups welcome volunteers to help care for homeless pets or assist at adoption events. You'll not only be helping yourself, but also helping to socialize and exercise the animals, making them more adoptable. You can also foster an animal temporarily until a permanent home is found for them, or in order to decide if the animal is right for you. A variety of different organizations offer specially trained therapy dogs and cats to visit children's hospitals, assisted living facilities, nursing homes, hospice programs, shelters, and schools. During these visits, people are invited to pet and stroke the animals, which can improve mood and reduce stress and anxiety. I hope you enjoyed this video on the psychological benefits of having a pet. And if you have any stories about your pets or how your pets helped you throughout your life, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.